Hi my friends, how you doing out there in the YouTube world? Oh well, that's gonna be where the fucking Harley dealership is. Well, that'd be cool. Nice. I thought it was gonna be someplace different, but fucking A, it's closer. And speaking of Harley dealerships, today I am heading over to Brandywine Harley Davidson to get the recall looked at on this motorcycle. So this is actually the second recall on the LowRider ST. First recall was the reservoir bolt for the shock. It was shearing off. The reservoir was falling down between the fender and the tire, possibly causing an accident, causing damage, and in some worst case scenarios, I don't know if it actually did, but could be death. Today they have to look at brake lines that were routed underneath the tank for mismanagement of routing or whatever it is, but it is apparently it's rubbing on the underside of the tank and rubbing through the line, so you would pretty much lose brake pressure to the front brake, which could result in accident, injury, and or death. So I called the Harley dealership up this morning and I said, hey, I got this recall, and they're like, okay, bring it on in whenever you can. So this is when I can, so I'm bringing it in. Turned out it was a beautiful day to do it, so fuck it, we're gonna head up there. So I will get back to you when I get closer. All right guys, because I'm fucking dealing with all this traffic out here on 202. This shit sucks. So I'll get back to you in a little bit. So we're almost there. When I talked to the service department this morning, he said that, yeah, I'll check it out as soon as I can, and as soon as I can get in there. But they don't think parts will be here till next week. But he said they really haven't had too many come in that there was an issue with. There was only one of them, I think, he said, that came in. So hopefully there won't be an issue with this and it'll be done and good to go. And I won't have to go back there for that. But if I do, I do. It is what it is. So yeah, well, here it is, right here on the corner. Brandywine Harley Davidson. Yeah. Let me just park it right here. Go inside and see what's happening. Alright guys, we're at Brandywine Harley, and the bike had to be done. The recall had to be done on the bike. So they actually had a kit in stock, and figured, fuck it, I'm here, I might as well wait, get it done. They said it's going to be about 2 hours. The only thing is that this is the first one they've done, so it might take as long as 3 hours. But I don't know when I'm going to get back out here again. So I've been walking around looking, bought a couple t-shirts, you know, that kind of bullshit. So spend money. You know how it is. So yeah, that's what's the update. So I mean, got a whole showroom of bikes behind me, bunch of new, few used. So seen some shit I like, but man, prices insane. So anyway, I'll update you when I get out of here. All right, peace. All right, guys, the recall was done. They actually did the seat bolt recall as well, even though it already changed out the bolt. He said they had to do it and blah blah blah, yada yada yada, whatever. So, which is fine. But yeah, it took right about 3 hours, just about, maybe a 10-15 minutes shy of 3 hours. So I am now on the way home. According to the GPS, it's going to take me damn near an hour to go 22 miles. And yeah, kind of sucks having to deal with traffic. So yeah, so this is where I'm going to end it, because you can't see up there, but there's a red light. So y'all stay safe, y'all love one another, get your recalls done. Peace.